Today I'll introducing you our A-1363 audio extender over CAT5. Here you can see the receiver size 3.5 millimeter plug, and for the emitter size, transmitter size is also 3.5 millimeter plug. Okay. For the benefit for this one is because you can using your existing CAT5 cable, CAT6 cable to extend your audio from your, for example, this is your base station and this is the living room. So for distance much longer than, like say 300 meters. Okay, and in this way it's easy to set up or easy to installation. Okay, yeah, and also next one I will introducing you our 3.5 to RCA cable. Okay, I mean the extender. Wait, and now I'm using the 3.5 to 1 RCA cable here, and for RCA, you see, if my amplifier is an RCA input, then you can using this kind of kit. Say from, for example, your audio in is 3.5, and then your output to the amplifier is RCA cable. So what I try to say is, for our product you can using this one, this type 3.5 to 3.5, or you can using 3.5 to RCA, or you can use RCA to RCA. See, it's very convenient for you. So no matter what your amplifier is, for example, like your amplifier is a 3.5 millimeters plug or RCA plug, I mean jack, then either way you can using our kit to extend your audio. Okay, thank you. Bye.